So we're going to look a little bit for lubrication. You want to lubricate rails and threads. So in this case, you have bushings or linear bearings here. You have the rails that it runs on, and the thread that actually turns to lift and drop the print bed, so the Z-axis. When you're lubricating with a spray can, which is what I've been doing, you want to cover the plate so you don't get any of the Teflon oil on that, because if that gets on there, you're going to have to really clean that well or nothing will stick. Put a little bit, spray a little bit on the threads, spray a little bit on the rails. Take your fingers or a piece of paper and sort of work it around on the rails, and then run the bed up and do it again underneath. Run the bed down, so that will move the lubrication on the whole series. The top of the printer has a series of rails as well. You have the rails that control the X position. These rails need to be lubricated on both sides of the print head. And same thing, protect the bed with a piece of paper or something, or a few layers of paper to make sure nothing gets on there. And then this rail and its equivalent on the other side. So this is the Y rail. You want to lubricate that rail so it gets into that linear bearing, and then move it the other direction, lubricate from the back. Now over here you see one of the motors. There's another one at the other corner, and these are the ones that move X and Y positions. The belt so far is in okay shape, but you can see a little bit of black dust maybe. That black dust is actually part of the belt coming apart. At some point the belt will have to be changed. You can go to the company, Craftbot company, and purchase a new belt for this printer. And it's a matter of disconnecting the belt from a clamp in here and then threading the new belt in the way this old one is threaded.